How to find resume from LinkedIn mobile app. Firstly, you have to open the LinkedIn mobile app and firstly you have to install it from your Play Store. We are going to know that how to view your LinkedIn resume app from your LinkedIn mobile app. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. You can see here at the bottom there is an option of job. Click on job here. Now at the top there are three dots. Click on the three dots. Click on the application settings here. Now you can see here resume. You can see when you turn it on, you will share your resume data with recruiters. If you turn it off, it will be not saved. In this way, when you have upload your resume, then that option will appear view resume. Now you can see or view your resume from here. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.